It is a beautiful soft pink with like, it almost looks like tie-dye-ish or like paint splatter. Hey beauties, it's Riri. I just received my Ipsy Glam bag, the OG original glam bag for the month of April. I'll pop all of our deets right here while we get ready to dive in. I've actually received my OG Ipsy Glam bag since March of 2015, so for a very, very long time. It's one of the very first subscription boxes that I ever tried, and I've just always stuck with it, you guys. I think it's always a really, really great value. They did just have another slight price increase, so thinking back to 2015 when I paid $10 for it, you know, that stings just a little bit. But to get 5 items and the makeup bag for still roughly $3 an item, to me, I still find value here. Go ahead and take the bag out. You guys know I don't get any spoilers. That bag is so cute. I don't see a card unless it's inside. I think it is. It is a beautiful soft pink with like, it almost looks like tie-dye-ish or like paint splatter. And then we have a beautiful kind of faux pearl for our zipper pull. Super cute. Okay, and then our card will generally tell us the theming for the month as well as product information. I want the card, if they're going to send this and kind of waste paper, if you will, I want to know what the products are. But our April theme is Dare to Daydream. This month, see yourself in a dreamy new way with ultra feminine romantic beauty that brings out your soft side. So that is what the card looks like. It also gives us a sneak peek and then generally gives us pertinent dates and things like that for upcoming events. We will talk deets once we open everything up. First up, I literally keep one of these in my car. This is the Sol de Janeiro fragrance, the Cheirosa 76 Perfume Mist. And the notes here are Midnight Jasmine, Black Currant, and Amber Woods. Definitely a fan. Already starting off with a bang. And that is, I think the minis of these are maybe $8, $12. I'm not 100% sure, but almost worth the price of the bag. Next up, I think I have a full size. This is the Mo Beauty Longwear Concealer in M1 Light Medium. I'm not always a concealer person, and I pretty much use the exact same one or the same one or two consistently. So maybe not something I would personally keep, but I like seeing a full size. Next up, oh, what is this? We Are Paradox Thickening 3-in-1 Conditioner, Hair Mask, and Finishing Cream for thicker, fuller hair. That sounds nice, and that's a really big sample size too. It might be a full size, I'm not quite sure. And we do get lucky sometimes. We get like travel minis and stuff like that, but then we also get some full sizes thrown in occasionally as well. Next up, oh, that is so cute, whatever it is. This is the Real Her. I'm not sure, I do not have my glasses on, so I will put this up here. I'm going to assume it is a lipstick. I am curious, I'm gonna open it up. I love this packaging. And I feel like Real Her is definitely a staple in our subscription boxes. I really like that packaging a lot. It is, oh, that's a beautiful kind of peachy nude. Those are my favorites. Okay, y'all. I'm loving this bag. And then last up is the Gold Faden MD, the Needleless Line Smoothing Concentrate. Alrighty, let's talk some details. We have our Sol de Janeiro, the Cheirosa 76 Perfume Mist. Get swept up in velvety vibes as this mist helps to envelop your skin in a hypnotic blend of black currant and midnight jasmine, while amber woods bring all-night confidence. Designed to transport you straight to a glittering 1976 discotheque. It's pure Rio rhythm in a bottle. Spray into hair and body. We already know how to use it. This is a deluxe sample. The full-size version of the product would be $39. Next up, we have our Mo Beauty Mo Covered Long Wear Concealer in Light Medium. This creamy concealer helps blur the look of dark circles and imperfections while keeping the skin looking smooth and natural. The blendable texture melts in easily, so it layers well over foundation or under, which works a little bit better most of the time, or wears clean on bare skin. Vitamin E helps support a comfortable finish that doesn't look dry or heavy. Tip, let it set for 10 seconds before blending. If you do have dry skin, I would just be leery of that. This is a full size for $14. Next up is our Gold Fatten MD, the Needle-less. This lightweight serum is designed to help soften the look of fine lines and leave your complexion feeling smoother and more radiant. Formulated with hyaluronic acid, it helps boost hydration and plump the appearance of skin. Tip: apply to the targeted areas of concern like your forehead, crow's feet, and smile lines. This is of course a travel size. The full size would be $40. The We Are Paradox Thickening 3-in-1 Conditioner. Simplify your routine with this dermatologist-approved 99% natural multi-use conditioner designed to work as a daily conditioner, intensive mask, and finishing cream for smooth, glossy, and manageable hair. Tip: use on wet hair as a conditioner or on damp hair as a leave-in treatment. Use on dry hair to tame frizz. I like that. This is a deluxe sample. The full size of it would be 8.45 ounces and be $35. And then last up, almost dropped it, is our little cutie patootie. This is our Real Her lipstick in Bold. This peachy pink lipstick glides on smoothly for a color that feels comfortable, not drying. Made with jojoba oil to help lock in moisture. It keeps the lips soft while you wear it. Swipe once for everyday polish or build it up when you want more impact. Tip: blot once, then reapply for extra staying power. Pair with your favorite liner or gloss. This is a travel size. Suggested retail price is $22. So I do always feel like I get my value's worth. We typically get like a $70-ish value. So even for like that $15, $16 price point, I still say I always find value in it. You know, I think a lot of us don't consider the bag, but if I were to go to the store, even in terms of just going to like Walmart or Target and buy from the sample minis when I'm going on vacation or something like that, which is, I love getting Ipsy because of that. I'm going to pay $3 to $5 for those little minis. I'm going to pay $3 or $4 or $5 for a little makeup bag. So again, I see the value and I understand that maybe some people do not, but I'm thrilled. I think this is a freaking 5 out of 5. I love the collection here. I love the variation here. I'd like to know what you guys think. Are we bag twins? Did you like your bag? Comment down below. Let me know what you got in your bag. Thank you guys so much for joining. I hope you guys have the most amazing day. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you did enjoy. You can hype the video. You can tap the bell so you never miss any of my videos, and there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.